We today opened an office, similar office in Raki Raki. Then we opened one in Ba. Then we opened one, a bigger one in Lautoka. Now we're here. We saved the best for the last. So we're here, of course. Walesi, as most of you would know, is a television initiative that government launched a few years ago, where you can now watch 8 channels for free. And all you need is what you call a set-top box. There's a box that you simply connect that to your television, and you get connected, and you can watch 8 different channels. Of course, there'll be more channels that will be added to the Walesi platform. Now, what's actually happening is that with Walesi, you're also now able to watch the television on your phones too. So with the app, and I'll show you on the phone, you download the app. So assuming you're here in the market and you want to catch the bus and go home or get in a taxi, and there may be the news, you want to watch the news, you can simply watch it on your phone. As long as you have data on your phone, you can watch the news, whatever it is. Or Fiji's playing rugby, and you may be sitting here, you're not at home, you can watch the rugby on your match. Or Nanronga is playing Suva, and it's being televised on FBC or Fiji TV. So that's the phone. You see all the channels are there. You simply click on it. Today we have over 400,000 people that have downloaded this. And they can watch, they watch the television. We see a lot of people now, on the buses. When they're traveling home, they're watching TV actually on this phone. So you can't, miss any of your programs that you like. With the set-top boxes that we have, the box that you connect to your TV, we made a deliberate decision as government that we want, in particular, low-income people to access this. So we give you the box for free if you earn less than $30,000 a year. You earn less than $30,000 a year, you fill out the form, you get the box for free. Then you take it home, you connect it to your television. If you earn more than $30,000 a year, you have to pay for it. And you can buy it from Courts and, I think, Vinod Patel and all of these other department stores, and it's $80. So it's not that expensive, but if you earn less than $30,000 a year, we give you a free box. Now, one of the great things about Walesi is, a lot of people don't know this, is that, as you know, that there are certain parts of Fiji that they don't get TV reception. Now, the reason why they don't get TV reception is because normally you find a tower on top of a hill, right? That hill, normally they find the highest peak. They put the tower there. They find the next highest tower, and they put the other next highest hill. They put the tower there, and that's how the waves go. And you try and capture that. But some places you can't, because maybe the farm or the village is in a very sort of deep gully around the corner where there is no power or no tower. Sorry. So Walesi uses satellite. So today under Walesi, you get coverage 100% of Fiji. So even the outer islands, they can get Walesi. Some of the places we give them actually a dish, a satellite dish, so they can capture that. Even in Vitileu, some places, we've given people the dish. And it depends on where you are located. So that's the great thing about it. Now, one of the things we did want to do is, Walesi wants to have a presence in every major town. So assuming you may have problems with your box, or you want more information, so this office has been set up. As you know, we are also being efficient in the way that we spend money. So this is, as you can see, it's simply an old container. And that container has been done up. Of course, if tomorrow we want to move this office somewhere else, we can move it. You simply pick it up, take it on a truck, move it somewhere else. So we're trying to be also efficient in the way that money is spent. So we don't, waste money. So this is here for you. Please make use of it. If you don't have a set-top box, if you're not connected to Walesi, I urge you to do it. If you earn less than $30,000, it does not cost you anything. You simply get the box. I'm sure you have a TV, you put it in. In some parts of Fiji, where there's a community, like in a village, etc., and they want a TV for the community hall, we've actually given them a TV with a set-top box. A lot of the people, they can't, maybe not everybody can afford a TV, so we give it to them to keep it in the community hall. As long as people know that they don't fight with each other which channel they're going to watch. Maybe somebody wants to watch Ghar Ghar Ki Kahani, at the same time somebody wants to watch something else. So as long as people agree on what they're going to watch. So that's what we've done. So please make use of it. If you already have a set-top box, please tell others to get it. It helps you get connected. The 8 channels, of course, FBC has a number of channels. Fiji TV has a number of channels. There's My TV. You have the parliamentary channel. You have a religious-based channel that runs 24/7. And we hope to add more channels. So, for example, we may have a channel dedicated on agriculture, on education. So children in the outer islands or in the remote areas can get that, and they may have lessons on the TV too, so which they can watch. And which is what actually Walesi is doing now, going to some of the many remote islands. So, Vinakavalevu, thank you for being here this afternoon. And we're now going to officially open the office. You're most welcome to come. It's nice and air conditioned too. Vinaka, thank you for coming.